ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायण 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 नारायण। ओम श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्री हरिये नमः। स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा। अगजानन पद्माकं अगजानन पद्माकं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदं तं भक्तानाम् एकदं तम् उपास्महे। एकदन्तम् उपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ओम श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करसृजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு அரோகரா। கோமளம் பூஜயன் வேணும் श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्मं पासतां पुरतो मम। सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरकणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिं सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसपरिदैः गोपकन्या सहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेळी रतमधिशुभकं वस्य गोपालकृष्णम्। पीताम्बरकरविराजितशङ्खचक्र कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशं हृदि भावयामि। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। मोक्षाब्धिसारम्य भागवताख्यदध्नोः नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गुहित्वा मायामयोगपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। न भोग्यवस्तूनि न नाकपृष्ठं न सिद्धिलाभं परमीशकाङ्क्षे प्रसन्नमन्दस्मितसुन्दरं ते मुखाम्बुलं दर्शय सन्ततं मे। शान्त्रानन्दावबोधात्मकम् अनुपमिदं कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्तभाग्यं जनानाम्। श्रीहरये नमः। Okay, we'll do the 13th shloka. We did till 5th one. Actually, I had a doubt with the 5th meaning. Okay, because I think the meaning should not be the way I told you in the last class. Okay, even though this was told to me by one of my teachers only, but still I had my own doubt. So I did a little bit of research. I found that that doesn't seem to be correct. I feel this is what the meaning should be for the 13th one. I'll just tell you that, then we'll go ahead with it. I'll tell you where the correction is. Okay. Okay, so actually this part, where was that? The 5th shloka, where we saw that Bhagavan and the Asura were fighting, and the maze of, I told you like this, that the maze of Bhagavan fell. Actually, it is not the maze of Bhagavan that fell, it is the maze of the Asura that fell. Okay. By one blow of Bhagavan, this Asura's mace fell down. Okay. It was not the other way around. I remember telling you the other way because that is how I was. I remember, I mean, the way it was taught to me. So that is what it is. Because that part is little confusing. The two types of meanings come out, but I think that is not the right one. This is the right one. That Bhagavan's mace did not fall. It was the Asura's mace that fell off. Okay, when they were fighting. Okay, we'll go to the next one. I think we have to start from the sixth one. My voice is little bad today. Okay. So, who is there now? Who will tell?
Madam, first Ambuli is there.
Ambuliji, you say.
Adding.
I told sixth one, no? Fifth we had finished.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Okay. Tata Shulam Kala Pratimaruchi Daitye Visrujati. That is the
Tadastulam Kala Pratimarushi Daitye Visvijati. Tadastulam Kala Pratimarushi Daitye Visrujati. Tadastulam Kala Pratimarushi Daitye Visrujati.
Sorry. Tvai Chind. Sorry. ततः शूलं कालप्रतिमरुचिदैते विसृजति त्वयि छिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात्
चिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् त्वयि चिन्तत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् त्वयि चिन्तत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात्. Only two times.
Two times. ततः शूलं कालप्रतिमरुचिदैते विसृजति त्वयि छिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात्.
तदशूलं काल प्रतिमरुषि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयि चिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात्. तदशूलं काल प्रतिमरुषि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयि चिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात्.
Very nice. समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सखलु वितुदं स्वां समतनोत्.
समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सकलु विदुदं स्वां समतनोत्. समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सकलु विदुदं स्वां समतनोत्.
Very nice. गलन्माये मायाः त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः.
गलन्माया त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः. कलन्माये माया त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः.
Very nice. समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सखलु विदुदं स्वां समतनोत्. गलन्माये मायाः त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः.
समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सकलु विदुदं स्वां समतनोत्. कलन्माये मायाः त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः
Very nice.
समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सकलु विदुधं स्वां समदनोत् गलन्माये मायाः त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः.
Very nice. All the 4 lines together once. Okay.
Okay.
Here, just a moment. Here, Galan Maye Mayaha, you can say. Okay. Or you can say Mayas Tvai. Depends on whether you are going to give a break or not. If you are going to give a break, say Mayaha Tvai Kila, you can continue. Or else, if you are saying it continuously, say it as Mayas Tvai Kila. Okay. Without giving a break. Okay.
Adi. तदसोलं काल प्रतिमरुषि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयि चिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सकलु विदुदं स्वां समतनोत् कलन्माया माया त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः.
Very nice, Ji. Very nice. ஒரு தடவை போ.
Adim.
Next, who is there? Anita ji?
Yes, ma'am. ततः शूलं काल प्रतिमरुषि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयि चिन्दत्येन करिकलितचक्रप्रहरणा समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सकलु वितुदंस्त्वां समतनोत् गलन्माये मायास्त्वयि किलं जगन्मोहनकरी.
Very nice. So, we'll see the meaning here. So, here, Tata Shulam Kala. So, here, okay, now, till now, what we have seen is, now the fight has begun between Bhagwan and that Asura. Okay. So, he places, once Bhuma Devi sees this Asura, she is frightened, okay, she shivers. So, he looks at her and then places her in a very safe place where it should be. And then he is ready for the fight. Now, both of them take a mace and they start fighting. So, when they are fighting, Bhagavan's mace, once he blows, he gives a very hard blow and then not very hard. Okay, he just gives a blow and the Asura's mace just falls down. He smiles and he takes out his Sudarshana. We saw in this. Okay. Now what is happening? Now this once Bhagavan takes his Sudarshana, this Asura, okay, it is only a maze, no? He just leaves that. Now it has fallen, they won't take it out. Now the next one, what he takes is a trident. He takes the trident and he starts fighting. Okay. As if, and he was so angry, as if he was like Kala. Kala is Yamaraja, no? So he was so angry and he looked as if he was a Yamaraja, okay? And who is going to destroy everything. He was looking like that. And then he threw the trident at Bhagavan, okay? And in no time, Bhagavan just broke the trident with this Sudarshana Chakra. This discus, okay, which was there in his hand. And again, he got very enraged seeing this, okay. He was very enraged seeing this. What did he do? He mushti means he just with the fist, you know, he just folded his fist and then he hit Bhagavan with that, okay. So it was like they were having arm fight, okay. So he hit him with his fist and obviously he kept on hitting him, okay. So and then he showed Samatanod Galan Mayai. So he was like, he was showing so much of Maya and all those things, okay. So many magical things, so many Maya he was showing to Bhagavan. Bhagavan himself, he is saying here, you yourself are the Maya. Okay, Jagat Mohanakari. This whole world is deceived by your tricks. You are that kind of Maya. This whole world is a Maya, is what we say, and you are that Maya. Vishnu Maya, we say. No, so you are that Maya, and this Asura is showing tricks to you. So, how can he even deter you from that, right? So, he was like showing all these things in front of you, which has got no effect on you at all. That is what is this shlokas. So here the Asura is getting angry, and then with the he picks up the trident and he throws at Bhagavan, and Bhagavan hits it back with the chakra, and the trident completely breaks. And then he, with his hands, with his fist folded, he goes and hits him. Okay, hits Bhagavan, and he tries to show all kinds of Maya, which he here Bhattatri says that you are the Maya himself, and he is coming and showing to you all these things. So these are all of no effect to you at all. That is what he is saying. Okay. Next one, we'll do 7th. Next, who is there, Ma? After Anita ji. Please come up.
Lakshmi is there, madam.
Ha. Okay, Lakshmi ji.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Will you be able to say, Lakshmi ji?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ha, okay. Oh. भवच्चक्रज्योतिष कणलवनिपातेन विधुते
भवच्चक्रज्योति कनलवनिपातेन विदुते भवच्चक्रज्योति कनलवनिपातेन विदुते
ततो मायाचक्रे विततघनरोषान्धमनसम्
ततो मायाचक्रे विततघनरोषान्धमनसम् ततो मायाचक्रे विततघनरोषान्तमनसम्.
Very nice. भवच्चक्रज्योतिष कणलवनिपातेन विधुते ततो मायाचक्रे विततघनरोषान्धमनसम्
भवच्चक्रज्योतिः कनलवनिपातेन विदुते ततो मायाचक्रे विदतघनरोषान्त मनसम्.
Very nice. ரெண்டு லைன் சேர்த்து சொல்லுங்க.
भवच्चक्रज्योति कनलवनिपातेन विदुते ततो मायाचक्रे विदतघनरोषान्धमनसम्.
Very nice. गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि प्रहृतिभिः अभिघ्नन्तमसुरम्
गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि प्रहृतिभिः Okay. गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि प्रहृतिभिः
अभिघ्नन्तम् असुरम्
गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि प्रहृतिभिः अभिघ्नन्तम् असुरम् गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि प्रहृतिभिः अभिघ्नन्तम् असुरम्.
कराग्रेण स्वेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः
कराग्रेण स्वेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवतिः कराग्रेण स्वेन स्वरणपदमूले निरवतिः
Very nice. गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि प्रहृतिभिः अभिघ्नन्तमसुरम् कराग्रेण स्वेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः
गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि प्रहृतिभिः अभिघ्नन्तम् असुरम् कराग्राणे
कराग्रेण
कराग्रेण स्वेन स्वर्णपदमूले निरवतिः
Very nice.
करिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि प्रहृतिभिः अभिघ्नन्तम् असुरम् कराग्राणे स्वेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवतिः
Say. Yeah. ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் லக்ஷ்மிஜி ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் சின்ன இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் எல்லாரும் இந்த தேர்ட் லைன்ல கரிஷ்டாபிஹி ஓகே கரிஷ்டாபிர் முஷ்டி பிரஹிருதிபி அப்படி பிரஹிருதிபிஹி அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுன்னா யூ ஹாவ் டு கிவ் அ பிரேக் when you are giving a break you can say tabhihi okay with a visarga if you are not giving any gap and you are saying it continuously put a rakaram over there okay so it will become mushti prahrutibhi rabhi okay it will become prabrutibhi rabhignanta okay then you should not say abhignanta you should not say okay it will become rabhignanta did you understand what I said
Yes, ma'am.
Note it because when you are chanting okay when you are telling it maybe not now you might tell it very slowly so at that time you can say tibhihi and then you can say abhignata and then but when you are chanting with many people you might be going fast right when you are going fast you cannot give that visargam at that point you will not have that time at that time it will become rabhignanta so just note it down somewhere so that you won't make this mistake.
Yes, ma'am. भवचक्रज्योति कनलवनि बातेन विदुते तदो माया चक्रे विदत गणरोषान्तमनसम् करिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि प्रहृतिभिः अभिघ्नन्तम् असुरम् कराग्राणे स्वेन स्वरणपदमूले निरवतिः
Okay. Just a second, okay? I have a doubt here. Okay. In one of the text, it is a little different. That is why I saw it. Okay, ma. Right. Next, who is there?
Purnachandra, madam.
Purnachandra ji will not be able to say. Next, after Purnachandra ji, anyone else?
Pratima, can you?
No, I'm in listening mode. So I never. This is my second
No.
class.
No problem. We'll have the other one. Prema ji?
पवचक्र ज्योति कनलव निपातन विदुते ततो माया चक्रे वितत कनरोषान्त मनसम् करिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि प्रकृतिभिरभि नन्दमसुरम् कराग्रेण स्वेने श्रवणपदमूले निरवतिः.
Here, don't make mistake. Karagrena swena. Okay.
कराग्रेण स्तेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवतिः.
Correct. Very nice. Okay. Next, we'll see the meaning meaning for this. Okay. So, Bhavat Chakra Jyoti Kanalava Nipatena Vidhute. So, what happened? Now, your chakra, what did it do? And how was your chakra? Jyotish Kanalava. So, Jyotish, it means it was having that very powerful spark. Okay. The chakra was having the very powerful spark and it hit the trident. Okay, so when it hit the trident, there was the spark, okay, which came out, and then the trident was destroyed. Okay. Yes. Seeing this, the Asura got very enraged. Okay. Now he's saying Tata Maya Chakre Vitata Ghanarosha Roshantha Manasam. So now what happened? This Asura, he's filled with Maya or delusion. Okay. And he's creating so much of Maya. Okay. And all these Mayas were just dispersed in no time. Okay. Now he was completely enraged. Then what did he do? He started attacking you. Okay. We saw that. He started attacking you. Okay. He started attacking you. So what was he doing? He was hitting him with his fist, isn't it? He was with this heavy fist, he was hitting him. But what did Bhagavan do? Just by his, just a slight blow, a blow with his toe, just his big toe. Okay, just with his toe at the base of the ear. Okay, at the base of this ear, he just struck him once. Okay, and he just fell. Okay. And he fell off. Okay, so this is what happened. So this is actually, they are describing the fight, how it is going on. Okay. So what did we see here? That Bhagavan had used his discus to break the trident, and while doing that, there was a lot of sparks which were coming out, and this actually completely destroyed not just the trident but also the Mayas that this or in a delusion in which this Asura was there, and also his Mayavi, whatever he thinks he was doing, or it just shattered everything. Then he started hitting him with the fist, and then Bhagavan with his toe. Okay, just with his toe, he just hit him hard. Where did he hit? At the base of the ear. He hit him hard and he fell off. And he fell down. Okay. So this is what is there. So that is why it is said that if you chant Sudarshanashtakam, okay, so it will help you to remove all these negativities, the fear, if you have anything of that sort, mental anything, say you have depression, you have fear or something like that, anything related to mental problems and all. So all the negativities which are there, it is said that it removes all. Okay. So, so that is it. And then eighth one.
Saraswati.
Saraswati.
Saraswati. Mahakaya soyam tava karasaroja pramatitaha.
Mahakaya soyam tava karasaroja प्रमदितः महाकाय सोऽयं तव करसरोज प्रमदितः
गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रात् अतदृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः
गलद्रक्तो वक्ता दपतदृशिभिः श्लाघितहति
here wait galadrakto vaktrad. If you say, then you should say apatat. Okay, apatat rishibhihi apatat drishibhihi shlaghita hatihi. Okay, so here you make note vaktrad. Okay, or if you are not stopping anywhere, there is no break, don't say that vaktrada patadrishibihi. That is what you should say.
Okay.
Tell once more.
गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रादपतिदृशिभिः श्लाघितहति
Hatihi.
हतिः गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रादपतिदृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः
It's not fitting. Okay, I'll tell once. Mahakayasoyam tava karasaroja pramatitah galadrakto vaktradapadad apadadrishibihi shlaghitahatihi.
महाकाय सोऽयं तव करसरोज प्रमदितः गलद्रक्तो गलद्
Or we will see if it is difficult. No problem. We will completely split the whole thing. Okay. Galadrakto vaktrat apatat rishibhihi shlaghitahatihi. Okay. So vaktrat apatat rishibhihi.
गलद्रक्तो वक्रात्
Stop it, no problem. Vakrat apatat rishibhihi shlaghitahatihi.
गलद्रक्तो वक्रात् अपतदृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः
Avladha. Very nice.
गलद्रक्तो वक्रात् अपतदृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः
Very nice.
महाकाय सोऽयं तव करसरोज प्रमदितः गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रात् अपतदृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः
Very nice. Tada tvamuddam pramadabhara vidyoti hridayaha.
तदा त्वामुद्दाम प्रमदभर विद्योतिहृदयाः तदा त्वामुद्दाम प्रमदभर विद्योतिहृदयाः
Munindra sandhrabhihi stutibhihi anuvan adhvarana எப்படி பிரிக்கலாம் முனீந்திரா சாந்திராபிஹி ஸ்துதிபிஹி அனுவன் அத்வரணத்தும் சொல்ல முடியுமா
नीन्द्रासान्द्राभिः स्तुतिभिः अनुवन्नध्वरतनुम्
சரி tell it that.
मुनीन्द्रासान्द्राभिः
स्तुतिभिरनु very nice.
श्रुतिभिरनु वन्नध्वरतनुम्
स्तुतिभिरनु वन्नध्वर
ಸ್ತುತಿಭಿರನು ವನ್ನಧ್ವರತನುಂ
Say.
ಸ್ತುತಿಭಿರನು ವನ್ನಧ್ವರತನುಂ ತದಾ ತ್ವಾಮುದ್ಧಾಮ ಪ್ರಥಮವರ ವಿದ್ಯೋತಿ ಹೃದಯಃ ಮುನೀಂದ್ರ ಸಾಂದ್ರಾಹಿ ಸ್ತುತಿಭಿರನುವನ್ನಧ್ವರತನುಂ.
Very nice. Here,
ತದಾ
Sandra Bhihi. Okay. Mind you, in Sanskrit, in Sanskrit, this Visargam plays an important role. Many when they chant, they leave this. They leave all these things. It is not right. Okay, that
Okay.
is why.
ಮುನೀಂದ್ರ ಸಾಂದ್ರಾಭಿಃ ಸ್ತುತಿಭಿರನುವನ್ನಧ್ವರತನುಂ.
Very nice, ma. Very nice. All the 4 lines together.
Okay.
Maha.
ಮಹಾಕಾಯ ಸೋಯಂ ತವ ಕರ ಸರೋಜ ಪ್ರಮದಿತೋಹ
Galathitah.
ಗಲದಿತಃ.
Hmm.
ಮಹಾಕಾಯ ಸೋಯಂ ತವ ಕರ ಸರೋಜ ಪ್ರಮದಿತಃ ಗಲದ್ರಕ್ತೋ ವಕ್ತಾದ್ ಅಪತದೃಷಿಭಿಃ ಶ್ಲಾಘಿತಃ ಹತಿಃ.
Very good.
ತದಾ ತ್ವಾಮುದ್ಧಾಮ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬರ ವಿದ್ಯೋತಿ ಹೃದಯಃ
Pramadabhara.
ತದಾ ತ್ವಾಮುದ್ಧಾಮ ಪ್ರಮದಭರ ವಿದ್ಯೋತಿ ಹೃದಯಃ ಮುನೀಂದ್ರ ಸಾಂದ್ರಾಭಿಃ ಸ್ತುತಿಭಿರನುವನ್ನಧ್ವರತನುಂ.
Very nice, ma. Beautiful. After Saraswati ji, who is there?
ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Madam, Deepthi is coming.
Deepti ji is there?
Yes.
Okay. Let Sridevi ji
Yeah,
finish, then let Devi.
Ganesh will like it.
Sridevi ji.
Let Sridevi.
Let her just finish.
ಮಹಾಕಾಯ ಸೋಯಂ ತವ ಕರ ಸರೋಜ ಪ್ರಮಥಿತೋಹ
Pramathitah.
ಪ್ರಮಥಿತಃ ಮಹಾಕಾಯ ಸೋಯಂ ತವ ಕರ ಸರೋಜ ಪ್ರಮಥಿತಃ.
See, to எப்போ வரும் அப்படின்னா when you are not leaving a gap and this 2 lines you are telling continuously. Okay, it is a continuation. If galadrakto is there just near this pramatito galadrakta, if you are telling it in one in one breath, then it is okay. But we are not doing that. We are breaking here. So you will say pramathitah. Okay.
ಮಹಾಕಾಯ ಸೋಯಂ ತವ ಕರ ಸರೋಜ ಪ್ರಮಥಿತಃ ಗಲದ್ರಕ್ತೋ ವಕ್ತ್ರಾ ಅಭತೃಷಿಭಿಃ ಶ್ಲಾಘಿತ
Hatihi.
ತಥಾ ಶ್ಲಾಘಿತ ಹತಿಃ.
Very nice.
ತತಃ ಪ್ರಮತ ಪರ ವಿದ್ಯೋತಿ ಹೃದಯಃ
Wonderful.
ಮುನೀಂದ್ರ ಸಾಂದ್ರಾಭಿಃ ಸ್ತುತಿಭಿರನುವನ್ನಧ್ವರತನುಂ.
Wonderful. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you. So we'll do this. Meaning paatuna Mahakayah saha ayam. Okay. Okay. This Asura, how was he? Mahakaya. He was huge one, right? This Asura was a huge one. This, what happened when you, with that blow of your feet, okay, he just fell and he was crushed. Sorry. Tava charanale. Tava karasaroja pramathitah. It means with your hands. Okay, with your hand. How is your hand? Karasaroja. Your hand is like a lotus. So it means hand is actually like lotus. But the power of that hand is with one blow of that, this huge Rakshasa, this Asura, just fell with he just fell down. His mouth, there was blood which was coming out of his mouth. Okay, it was flowing out of his mouth. He just fell and he was no more. That's it. Okay, he was slayed. So now what happened? So this is what happened. So now see how beautifully Bhattatri is writing. Your hands are like lotus flower only. It is so beautiful. It's so soft and everything. Okay. All those things he's saying. But what happened with that beautiful hand of yours? With just the power of that hand is what? It is like you just give a blow with that, and that huge Asura, he just falls down and he just dies. Actually, he's being slayed. Okay. So that is the power of your hand. Okay. Now he's saying Rishibihi Shlagita. Now then to you, that is now the sages. Rishibihi are the sages. Now these sages are all, these munis are all so happy and they all start praising you. Okay. And what their hearts are full of joy. Their hearts are brimming with joy. There is so much of joy in them. They are so happy and they started singing praise, okay, of Bhagavan. Now, and then what did they do? They started singing hymns. Okay. These hymns, what they sang, they all had such deep meaning. That is why the word here is Andhrabihi, Sutibihi. They were these verses that they were singing, the hymns that they were singing, all these were full of very in-depth meaning. Okay, and they were all praising you. Okay. Now, there is a word which is being used here. Just a second. Just a moment. Yeah. Here, they are using this word here. That is, where did that shloka go? Huh. Here, they are saying that he is Adhvaratanum. Okay, Adhvaratanum in the sense, he is an embodiment of Yajna. Okay, so we also say, no, இந்த யக்ஞ வராக அப்படின்லாம் நம்ம பேர் சொல்லுவோம். அந்த வேள்விகளுடைய ஸ்வரூபமாகவே இருக்கக்கூடியவர். Okay, so he is an embodiment of yajna. Okay, so அப்படி சொல்லப்படுறது, right? So we will see in the next one what is the okay. So why is it like that? Why has Bhagavan taken the form where he is become the embodiment of yajna is, mind you, and here what is the Rupam? Avataram is Varaha Avataram. Varaha Avataram, what is he doing? He is saving the earth, isn't it? He is saving the earth. So, earth has to be saved, it has to be protected. So, now for that, what is important? These doing of yajnas are very important. That is what he wants to show here. Okay, now these yajnas are done for what? For the welfare of the world, for welfare of all the beings. That is why earlier they used to stress upon doing a lot of yajnas. You have to do a lot. Okay, then when you do that, automatically there is a lot of prosperity and prosperity that happens, okay, in this world. So that is what this avatara, this avatara of Varaha Avataram, they are saying it. You are an embodiment of yajna. So that is why he's saying that. And this Varaha Avataram is something that is protecting the earth. So what is going to protect the earth? This yajna is going to protect the earth. So, and you are the embodiment of this yajna. So It just means that we all need to do, we all should be doing a lot of yajnas for the welfare of this world, for this universe. Okay. Fine, this was something. Next, we'll go to the 9th one. Nowadays, nobody
Deepti.
does anything.
Deepti.
Deepti
Yes,
ji.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
So nowadays, nobody does anything, but still, they say that we should participate, we should do wherever it is being done, at least we should be able to participate and do stuff. Okay. So, these are all learning. These are all, we should learn from all this. These are things that we should do, which we have just left it. We are not doing it nowadays. That's the problem. Anyways, because we are all running. Next one. Tvachichando romah. No. Tvachichando romaswapi kushagana shuchi. Just, sorry. Kushagana chakshushikritam.
त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमश्वपि कुशगणश्च
कुशगणश्चक्षुषिघृतं
कुशगणः चक्षुषि कृतं
त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि
कुशगणः
कुशगणश्चक्षुषिघृतं
त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमश्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतं.
Very nice.
श्रूयते न? त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमश्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतं.
Very nice. चतुर्होतारोङ्घ्रौ सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा.
चतुर्होतारङ्घ्रो सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा. चतुर्होतारोङ्घ्रो सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा.
Very nice. त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतं चतुर्होतारोङ्घ्रौ सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा.
त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतं चतुर्होतारोङ्घ्रौ सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा.
Very nice.
One more time. त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतं चतुर्होतारोङ्घ्रौ सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा.
Very nice. ग्रहाजिह्वायां ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसा.
ग्रहाजिह्वायां ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसः.
चमसा.
Okay. ग्रहाजिह्वायां ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसा. ग्रहाजिह्वायां ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसा. Correct
चमसा
now.
वराद. चमसाः. चमसाः.
चमसः.
कर्णे च चमसाः.
Visharga is there. Okay. So I'll
Chamasa
say.
is Tritiya. This one will be this one.
I'll say two
Chamasaha.
times again.
Tell ma, tell. One more time. Graha.
Hello, ma'am.
Tell ma.
Okay. Yeah. Shall I say two times?
Once is enough.
Yeah. Okay. ग्रहाजिह्वायां ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसः.
Chamasaha.
Chamasaha, is it?
Chamasaha.
A ki matra is there and Visharga is there.
Bahuvachana, yes.
Okay, Bahuvachana. Okay. Okay.
विभो विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः
विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः
Very nice.
ग्रहाजिह्वायां ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसः विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः
Very nice. 4 lines.
4 lines?
Ah.
Okay. त्वचि छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतम् चतुर्होतारोऽङ्घ्रौ शृगपि वदने चोदर इडा ग्रहाजिह्वायां ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसः विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः
Very nice, ma. Very nice. Next, who is there?
Humbly
Ah.
droppers.
Tell me.
Humbly चल रही है हाँ?
Ambuli ji.
नहीं. Okay, next madam.
அடியன் சேவிக்கிறேனா
ஆமா அதுதான்.
त्वच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगगणश्चक्षुषि कृदम् चतुर्होतारोऽङ्घ्रौ सृकपि वदने चोदरयिता ग्रहाजिह्वायां ते परमपुरुषकर्णे च समचः विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदकलदेशेऽप्युपसदः
Very nice.
மேடம் பரபுருஷக
What did she say?
சமசாக பகுவச்சனமா
Chamasaha Bahuvachan.
அம்புலி சமசாக
அடியன்.
Okay. So, here now we said that he is in the form of Yajna, right? That's what we say. He is an embodiment of Yajna, is what we said. So, now in this, he is actually telling what is what. Okay. Now, he is saying, Tvachi Chandaha. It means, Tvachi means skin. Your skin are nothing but the Vedic Chandas. Chandas means the meters, Vedic meters. So, your skin are nothing but the Vedic meters. Okay. Romasu api kushaganaha. Your hair is like kusha, that grass is there, no? Kusha grass. See, mind you, all these things are used for yajna. Okay, this kusha grass is used for yajna. Similarly, he is saying chakshushi ghritam. Your eyes are ghee. It's like they are the ghee. Somebody is on unmute. Kindly, please mute yourself. Whoever is unmute. Okay.
அம்புலி மியூட் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Panit. So here they are saying the eyes. Okay, his eyes are ghee. Okay. So ghee is also used in yajna. So his eyes are ghee. Then they are saying Chatur Hotaraha Angraho. So the priests who are sitting and then they are doing this yajna, no? Who are chanting, who are doing the sacrifice. So your feet, okay, your feet are those four priests. Okay, the four priests. Okay, they are the Hotara, the four priests. Then Srugapi Vadani. Srug is a kind of a big karandi, like a ladle. Okay. Which is used for offering. You might have seen when they do the yajna, they will have a big a ladle or karandi madri irukum. So they will offer into the yajna. So that is your vadane. Vadane is face. Your face is that. Then cha udara ida. Udara means your stomach. Okay, this portion is ida. Ida is nothing but a vessel which is again used for this offerings only. Okay. ingredients are kept in this. So that one vessel is there. That vessel, your stomach is that. Okay. So then they are saying graha jihvayam te. Jihva means your tongue. Your tongue is the soma pot. Okay. They for offering they use this soma rasa. This is they nowadays we have got a very wrong meaning of the soma rasa as something which should not be there. We should not link it to that, because that is completely different, and this is completely different. Okay. So this soma is offered. So that vessel is, that is your jihva, that is your tongue. Okay. Now they are saying karne cha chamasa. Karne, your ears are the chamasa. Chamasa is again, it's also a vessel only.
Spoon, right?
No, not exactly. That is also a vessel where this remnants of this sacrificial things are all kept. Okay, after the yajna, all these things are kept. So can you, there's no spoon or anything as such which is used. Okay, it is the name of a vessel only. And then they are saying somo viryam varada garadeshe api upasataha. So your okay, now he's saying that somo viryam, that virility of the soma. Okay. That soma, O bestower of boons, Varada, in your neck, okay, the sacrifices which is called as upasata, okay, all these things are your neck, okay, and therefore you are the embodiment of this holy yajna. So we spoke about all these things which are used in the yajna. So you are nothing but you yourself are the embodiment of this. Okay. So Parapurusha is, O Supreme Being, O bestower of boons, Varada. Your, now he is saying your skin is the Vedic meters, the chandas with it. Your hairs are the kusha grass. Your eyes are the ghee, and then your foot. Okay, your foot are the 4 sacrifices, because he has taken the form of a boar. No, so now he has 4 limbs, 4 legs. No, so these 4 are nothing but the priests. Okay, the priest. Your face is the sruk, that is a big ladle kind of thing which is used for the offering. Then your stomach is the ida, okay, the vessel which is used to keep the ingredients for the offering, for the sacrificial offering. Okay, and then your tongue is the what did we see that? Tongue, what did we see, ma? Your tongue is the soma pot. Okay, the soma. Okay, your ears are the chamasas. Okay, that is also again one more vessel which is kept for the sacrificial remnants. Then, oh God, oh Vibho, your virility is the soma juice. Okay, and your neck is the neck is the subsidiary rights which is called as the upasat. Okay, that is your neck. So you truly are the embodiment of this holy yajna. Okay, you are the embodiment of that. Okay, so finally he says how he is just describing how he has become the embodiment of yajna. That's it. Okay, next, the 10th one, the final one. After Deepti ji.
Yes, madam.
Prema ji.
Shall I? Or Deepti?
Deepti ji just now said no.
Okay, I'll do it, madam.
I'm sorry if I'm forgetting. Please Like
No issues, ma'am. Just like that. Even I'm confused. No.
and that is why, no, like Deepti ji said, you have numbers or something, you can just go ahead with that. Okay. Last one. मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस् स्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः
मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्तवनमुखैर्मोदितमनाः मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः
महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन्
महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन्
Very nice.
महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन्
Very nice. These two lines will do. मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस् स्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन्
मुनीन्द्रैर्विद्यातिस्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन्
Very nice. स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः
स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः
सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो
सुगरसविहारी मधुरिपो
स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो
स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुगरसविहारी मधुरिपो स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुगरसविहारी मधुरिपो
निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते
निरुद्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते.
Very nice. 4 lines together.
Okay. स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुगरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते.
Very nice. 4 lines. Munindre.
मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन् स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुकरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपतो पते.
Very nice. Next, ma, after Prema ji.
सरस्वती
Saraswati ji.
मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादि स्तवनमुखरैर्मोदित मनाः महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन् स्वधिष्ठ्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुकरस विहरि मधुरिपो निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते.
Okay, ma. Here we'll just see. Lastly, he's saying, "O Guruvayurappa, O Lord of Guruvayur, O destroyer of Madhur." Madhur means the who destroyed Madhu, the Asura Madhu. Okay, O destroyer of the Asura Madhu, he was very delighted with what? With all the hymns, with all the verses that were sung by these sages. The sages were singing, no? So he was very delighted hearing that. Okay. And then what happened? He was so happy, he was so delighted that he appeared in front of them in with his very splendid form. Okay. And then a very taintless glory or unblemished glory. And then he then went off to his abode, that is Vaikuntha. Okay, then he retired to his abode of Vaikuntha. And then reveling in his own innate bliss. Okay, so obviously when he goes to Vaikuntha, he's in that blissful form, right? So he was there. Now they are praying, "O Lord, may you be pleased and eradicate all my ailments." So, okay. So, finally, Bhattatri again comes to this point only. O destroyer of Madhu, you should be pleased and destroy all my ailments. So, because my ailments are so when he is talking about this, he is saying Madhuripo, isn't it? So, Madhuripo is what? Destroyer of Madhu. So, he is saying now you be pleased with me and destroy all my ailments. Okay. So that is what it is. So here it is nothing. He is very happy and he shows his form, his beautiful form, which has this unblemished glory, and then he goes back to Vaikuntha in this blissful nature. Okay, into his innate, which is his blissful nature. He just goes there, and then Bhattatri is praying. He is saying, "O destroyer of Madhu, kindly destroy, you be pleased and destroy all my ailments." Okay, so that is what is the last. Okay, fine. So this is the 10th. We finished the 13th Dashakam today. Okay. I'll just wind up with the Samapana shlokas. Okay. Namami Narayana Pada Pankajam Karomi Narayana Pujanam Sada Vadami Narayana Nama Nirmalam Smarami Narayana Tattvam Avyayam Narayana 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 Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. That's it. We'll meet in the next class.